In this video we show you how to tie the distal hitch. The distal is mostly used by arborists to ascend or descend a climbing line. Often a carabiner will be attached. The distal has some familiarities with the prusik. Alright, let's tie the distal. Make sure you use a prusik rope that's smaller than the main climbing line, else it might not have a sufficient grip. Start by making 3 wraps around the climbing line. Now take the working end of the prusik cord and bring it down over the standing part. Lay it over top of the climbing line, so it forms a capital D shape. Now take the working end of the cord and feed it through the D shape as shown. Next set the knot and make sure that both ends of the prusik cord are of equal length. And there's your distal hitch. It can freely move up and down the climbing line as long as it's not loaded. If this was a little too fast, don't worry. Next we show some step-by-step instructions. Okay, here we go again. First make sure the prusik cord is smaller in diameter than the climbing line to assure a firm grip. Take the working end of the prusik cord and make 3 wraps around the climbing line. Alright, that's 3 of them. Next we bring the working end down, as shown in the picture. Make sure it's in front of the standing part, that's the part on the left. Bring the working end over the climbing line to form the capital D shape. Next feed the end through the D and set the knot. Make sure both ends of the cord are of equal length. Well, there's your distal hitch. As a thank you, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. We will be posting many more high quality knot videos in the future.